Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, as you can see, I'm at my farm. So those are the broccoli that were the damage, and that is the cabbage also, and the lettuce over there, and the pumpkin around further. Now I'm in the tomato doing some work today, and what I'm doing is I'm sinking the tomato. As you can see, the legs are very long, so what I'm doing is I'm digging a hole beside, you see wherever the tomato drop, like that, drop right there. So you want to dig the hole right there, and then you want to sink it with your finger and cover it with some dirt. So that's what I'm doing today, and as you can see right there, I have sinked some already. I wish I could show you guys the process I'm going to do right now, but I can't because I am here alone and I don't have any help to hold the video. Let me see if I can rest it somewhere. Let me get a bucket. If I get a bucket, I probably can rest it on the bucket and show you guys how I sink the tomatoes. So I'm just walking over to the drum to get the bucket. I think I'm gonna use this small bucket right here. So I'm gonna use this small bucket to put the phone on, because I'm recording with my phone. I'm gonna use the small bucket to put the phone on and show you guys how I sink the tomato. When you sink the tomato, it's the purpose of sinking the tomato is so that it can catch new root, so that it can be more fruitful. Now I'm gonna rest it right here. Go further. Hold on. Just gonna use this other phone to catch it. So gonna do it right there. Yeah, so that's a good view of it. I'm gonna go over again, and so you wanna dig the hole, and you wanna hold the tomato like this, sink it in there with one hand, use the machete, draw the dirt, and cover back the hole along with the tomato. Hold on. Give you guys some more. So, and you want to be very delicate while doing this, because you don't want to break the tomato. If you broke the tomato, that's the end of it. So you hold it like this, sink it into the hole, cover it with the dirt, make sure it's holding in there, pat it with your hands so that it don't come up, and cover it right round, and there you have a healthy tomato. And if you want, you can go ahead and water this with some Nourish or even Sosa water. So guys, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. And guys, I want to say to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I aim to please you guys. So bye for now.